step. So in the previous sessions, we have seen how we can use Info Center to learn Sybase ASE basics. Okay. So in the previous sessions, I have already covered like how you can reach here at Sybase Administration Guide Volume 1 for AAC 16 version. So let's talk about some roles required in system administrator. Okay. So if you just click here, you will have all the roles. So what are the roles, system roles we have in Sybase as a Sybase administrator? The first is the SA role, SSO role, Opera role, or Sybase TS role. Okay, so any interviewer you will ask a question like what are the system defined role or what are system roles or what are the default roles in Sybase AC. Yes, so these are the four roles: SA role, SSO role, Opera role, and Sybase TS role. Of course, we're gonna see more here what are the roles meant for. So what is your exact duties for the Sybase administrator? So managing a disk storage, okay, monitoring the automatic recovery procedure, fine tuning of changing configuration system parameters. We will see that in SP configure how to do. Diagnosing and reporting the system problem by sys monitoring. Okay, backing up then loading the database by dump and restore command. Oh, sorry, by dump and load command. Modify and dropping the server login accounts. Okay, we can log, unlock, create logins, drop login. Granting and revoking system administrator. Yes, grant role name to the user to the login. Okay, we can grant the different type of roles to the user. Then of course we can grant the permissions at the table level. Creating user databases and granting ownership for them. Of course we can, that's also possible. Setting up the groups which is used granting and revoking the permissions. Yes, so like a SSO role. So now these are the system administration tasks. Basically, what are the Sybase DBH tasks? So these many are the Sybase duties. Now we'll see what is the SSO role, system security officer. Okay, so as name suggested, like it is a security officer role where all security concerns comes into picture. So first is like creating logins account, and of course after login accounts we can create the passwords, we can set the password policies. Okay, you can change the password at any moment. We can grant and revoke the system security officer to roles to any other person. And of course this SSO role can also be help to give the role to the operator roles. Creating, granting, and revoking user defined roles. Granting the capabilities of impersonate another user through the server. Yes, that also possible. Setting the password expression level. That's what we concern. Setting up the network based security services and managing the audit system. So these are the main role of system security officer. For the SSO role, the most of the tasks like create login. Okay, and create login with initial password, reset the password, lock and unlock the users. Okay, then we have a upper rule. The third rule is a upper rule, that is the operator rule. So what it does, so operator role is exclusive meant for backing up the database and loading the database. Okay, so this is a particular role whenever there is a need of a person who can only need to perform dump and load operations, you can assign this role to the that particular login. That is a upper role. Okay, so that's what they mention here. If you go and read here, you will have enough idea. So now we're gonna see so what are the two, there are two kinds of objects we have, object owner we have. First is the database owner, another is the database object owner. So what is database owner? That is a DBO. The database owner is a creator of a database, someone to whom database ownership has been transferred. A system administrator can be used as a grant command to grant user an authorization to create databases. Database object owner, that is a DBO. Object owner is user who create the database objects. So this is how we have covered here system administration task. So in the next sessions we are going to see about what is a performing system administration task, performing a system admin task. So we'll see how to perform ISQL. Okay, what is ISQL, where it is stored, and how to logged into the server. Thank you.